just added service to its latest destination in the U.S., Chicago O'Hare. The flight from Auckland, New Zealand is now O'Hare's longest route. The Chicago Department of Aviation says the new flight will create $75 million in annual economic activity for the Chicago region.
Well, firstly, Chicago is an awesome city. It's got 10 million people in greater Chicago sort of area, or the catchment of Chicago. And as a result, there's a big opportunity for us to bring Americans to New Zealand by being able to offer a direct service here. And that's proving to be the case. Our initial numbers are saying that there's a lot of Americans that live in this area that are now starting to go on holiday to New Zealand with the bookings that we see going forward. So it's a great opportunity to be able to get Australia and New Zealand pushed much further into the Midwest and ultimately out to the East Coast. And so that's the reason for coming.
Air New Zealand CEO Christopher Luxon says the flight will start out with one service a day on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. The airline's goal is to build quickly to a daily service.
So we use a 787-9 Dreamliner, and it's got about 275 seats on board.
The aircraft will have 3 hours on the ground at O'Hare, where it will receive line maintenance services from Flight Check Commercial Aviation Services. Flight Check currently provides technical handling, aircraft de-icing, and limited ground handling to more than 25 domestic and international airlines at O'Hare. As for scheduled maintenance, heavy maintenance checks will be handled by Air New Zealand's own engineering and maintenance teams in New Zealand.
So we started to build our team here, and we have obviously some sales-related people that are based at United's head office as our joint venture partner here, and also some staff here at the airport as well. But we have a very big American team based in Los Angeles, and they'll continue to come out here as well.
In Los Angeles, the airline manages its own maintenance, while the rest of its North American ports are managed by partners, such as Cathay Pacific, United, and British Airways. In terms of fleet, the airline's North American routes are served by a variety of aircraft types.
It's a mixture. We have 777-300s that we fly into LA and into San Francisco. We've got 787s that go into Honolulu and a mixture into Houston at different times of the year as well.
As for new additions, Luxon says the airline is in the process of finding a replacement for its Boeing 777-200 aircraft. Air New Zealand hopes to make its decision about the replacement in April 2019.